The grass in front of us here is a Deschampsia cespitosa, and it's a chance seedling from two other Deschampsias. Now this one was found in an area where I had stored all of my grasses at one point down in a nursery in Caister, a friend's nursery who's sadly no longer with us. And he rung me up and said, would I come and have a look at this particular grass, because he thought it might be a little bit special. So I shot off down there immediately, as you would, and had a look at it. And he was stood next to it and it just looked huge. And I said, definitely a beauty. So there were two grasses, but this one turned out to be a better one. And of the two, this is the one I selected. Now, the outcome of this one was that my friend decided he would bring it to the market within a year, which was totally unacceptable in my opinion, but he did so. Now, he named it as New Gold, which I said he shouldn't. Now, I'm hoping he either didn't sell any or the people that bought it haven't got a clue what they've got. I'm now going to call it Deschampsia Mayan Gold, because I think that's a lovely name for it. It makes 5 foot, it's 5 foot now. In fact, I think, I've measured it the other day and it was 5 foot, but I actually think it's gone up to 6 foot. I'll put that on the screen when I've remeasured it. But what a stunning grass. Now it is in a cow feeder, or what was a cow feeder at the bottom. So to be quite honest, it's restricted a little bit. But it does this every year and has done for the last 3 years in this actual drinker. It's done this size, so it's beautiful and it's looking exceptional this year, and especially with the sun shining on it. This is one of the parents, or I believe to be one of the parents. It's not as tall as it usually is. It's a very strong, upright grass. And this year, at the moment, it's only about 4.5 foot, but it generally gets up to 6 foot, which I'm still hoping it will. Now this one here is called Deschampsia cespitosa Cabana Buta. Quite a nice one, in my opinion, one of the best Deschampsias you can get. And it's definitely worth having in your garden if you like grasses. A fantastic grass. Now behind that fence is what I believe to be the other parent, a Deschampsia called Goldschleier. It only gets to about, well, basically to the size it's at the moment. Even if that was in the ground, it would maybe get another 6 inches, but not much more than that. But the colour's amazing on this one. It's a very nice colour. But as you've seen with the other grass, with the baby that they both produced, it's even better. So as we can see from that, that is absolutely stunning. What a superb grass. And let's hope I can get that one to the market. I will be selling it privately. I have got some splits from it, but I needed to trial it properly over several years, which I've now done, and I'm convinced it's a cracking plant. So hopefully you'll be seeing that pretty soon. Now it will seed around. I make no bones about that. Deschampsias do seed around, or we wouldn't find beautiful plants like that one. And it's the seed heads, they're just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. They're really glistening in this sun. And I'm hoping to bring it to the market as Deschampsia cespitosa Mayan Gold. So look out for it.